Hello students, KCET first mock allotment results are out. So here's how you can check it. So go to any browser and just type KEA. So go to their official website. Then under the admission sections, you can find out UGCET 2024. So click on this. After that, click on the first link. Once you click on this link, you'll be directed to a page where you have to enter your CET number. This CET number will be present in your verification slip. So check that and then enter and then click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit, you will be directed to a page where you can see the seat that is allotted to you in the first mock allotment results. Okay, so here you can check the college that is allotted to you, the course that is allotted to you, and which which number option it was there in your option entry, and under which category you got the seat. The direct link to check the first mock allotment results is there in the description section. So just click on this link and then enter your CET number and then check your mock allotment results. Thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel for more updates.